Hey, you ready, boys? Ready? We're overheating. We gotta go. Good boy. Sorry, Kim. Does it work? Where'd they go? Where are they? Oh boy. Oh boy. Are they still up here? Oh boy. Let's see if we can get him down here. Oh, hey, he's down here. Jeez, he's on my ass. Oh, wow. This thing flies good. No prop wash. And I'm really putting it... Just how the hell does he keep up with this thing? Oh my god. He's nuts. Okay. Let's see if he can come upstairs nice and quick. Oh, you're already there. Okay. No prop wash at all. You just sit there like nothing. You.
I'm trying to send your sister a message now.
Oh, cool.
Oh, I have your receipt.
Oh, cool. We got dog treats for the dogs here. How nice. Is that mistletoe? Ooh, boy. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? There you are. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh, my. Oh, boy. Okay, that's funny. Okay, guys. Dunzo.